Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 7 creative ways to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can assist you in a wide range of tasks, and today we're going to show you how to leverage it to make some extra cash. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering writing services. ChatGPT can help you write articles, blog posts, and even product descriptions. You can create a gig on a freelancing platform and start earning money right away. The second way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, and with ChatGPT, you can create a chatbot that can answer customer inquiries, process orders, and even book appointments. You can offer your chatbot creation services on various platforms and earn money from clients. The third way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating content for social media. ChatGPT can generate engaging social media posts that can help businesses increase their online presence. You can offer your social media content creation services to businesses and start earning money. The fourth way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating online courses. ChatGPT can help you create online courses on a wide range of topics, from cooking to programming. You can offer your course creation services on various platforms and earn money from students. The fifth way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering translation services. ChatGPT can translate texts into multiple languages, making it an ideal tool for people who need to communicate in different languages. You can offer your translation services on various platforms and earn money from clients. The sixth way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating resumes and cover letters. ChatGPT can help you create professional resumes and cover letters that can help job seekers stand out from the competition. You can offer your resume and cover letter creation services on various platforms and earn money from clients. The seventh and final way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating ebooks. ChatGPT can help you write and compile ebooks on a wide range of topics. You can offer your ebook creation services on various platforms and earn money from readers. So there you have it, 7 creative ways to make money with ChatGPT. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.